Here we go, guys. We're ready.
It's a lamb.
Half cook the lamb and chop it.
Where you buy this one, Daddy?
It's a good meat. It's not too hard. Yummy. So now we're gonna mix it with onions. So just season the onions and season it. Actually, we don't put any more salt in it. Just the sauce after the frying. And there we go. We put that lamb already, and just that's it.
This is the phone that you wanted, Dad? The one with the using it's international.
$200 off.
Wow.
I need Samantha to buy it. She has
Look at
Prime.
the stain.
It's on sale.
Yeah, right now she can tell her. So
Right?
how much the total?
So expensive.
But at least it's $200 off. Yummy, finish.
So expensive.
Thank you guys for watching. Ayan guys, it's ready now.